Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Asad Yaqub here. Well, guys, very recently Cambridge has announced single module retake, and the students were very happy that now there is single module retake and they can improve their band score on a single module and all that. But as I mentioned in my previous video, that single module retake is more like a lollipop. Why? Because it is not available on UKVI. Right, it is only available on standard IELTS test, number one. Number two, it is not available on paper delivered IELTS. So this single module retake has got its limitation. It's more like a part of the plan to promote computer delivered IELTS. That's why they introduced single module retake. Well, instead of single module retake, now if your band score is low in listening and reading modules and you appeared in computer delivered IELTS, then I suggest you to appear or to go for single module retake. But if the band score is low in writing as well as in speaking, then there is another option and we call it EOR, inquiry on result. Now, for example, whenever you apply for inquiry on result, they charge you the fee. For single module retake also, they charge you the fee. Like for single module retake, it's 50% of your IELTS exam fee. And for EOR, it's 50% of your IELTS exam fee. But for EOR, it's only inquiry. I mean, EOR is not that they're going to charge, you're going to appear in exam. No, it's only the re-evaluation of the test, especially writing and speaking. Like just today, one of my students who applied for EOR, inquiry on results, and he got this band score. What happened, his speaking band was 5, whereas in other 3 modules, his band score was listening 7, reading 6.5, writing 6.5, and then he applied EOR on speaking and his band score changed from 5 to 6, and now he's got this wonderful band score. I've got this EOR letter as well. Okay, so if it is, I mean, it is not that you only go for computer delivered IELTS because they have single module retake there. You can go for paper delivered IELTS as well, and there is this EOR, inquiry on results, and without appearing in exam, EOR increases your writing or speaking band if you deserve and all that, right? So you need to decide. I mean, if it is computer delivered, you can take single module retake once only, and if it is normal standard IELTS, then you can have this EOR option, okay? Thank you so much, guys. The purpose of this video is to aware you. It's not always video on IELTS listening, reading, writing, speaking. There are dozens of other things which are important for IELTS candidates, and they should know about these type of things. All the best. I teach IELTS online all over the world and in campus in Lahore. If you wish to be the part of my online or in-campus IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub with sore throat wishes you best of luck. Take care. Allah Hafiz.